Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Want to mirror your phone screen to your PC without any lag? Or maybe you're planning to live stream your gameplay straight from your mobile? Well, you're in for a treat, because in this video, I'm revealing one of the best screen mirroring software that's not only smooth, but absolutely perfect for streaming and recording. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss awesome tech tips like this. The software we're using today is called AnyMiro, a super reliable tool for screen mirroring, recording, and even live streaming, with zero lag and real-time audio sync. You can connect your mobile to your PC either through a USB cable or Wi-Fi, but for the best stability, I recommend using a USB connection. Let's get you set up step by step. Trust me, it's easier than you think. First, download the software. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. Once you click the link, you'll land on the official site. Just hit free download, and the setup file will begin downloading instantly. After it's done, open the file. You can change the install location by clicking on Customize Installation, then simply click Install, and let it do its magic. Once installation is complete, the software will launch and you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface. Now, let's connect your phone to your PC. To begin, head over to your phone settings, About Phone, and tap on the build number, or MIUI version 6 to 7 times, until you see the message. You are now a developer. Now go back to Settings, open Developer Options, and enable USB debugging. Don't worry, it's safe and necessary for screen mirroring to work properly. Alright. Now it's time to plug in the USB cable. Connect one end to your PC and the other end, usually a Type-C, to your phone. Once connected, you'll see a prompt on your phone. Allow USB debugging. Tap OK and choose File Transfer Mode if asked. Quick tip, make sure your PC and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network if you're going wireless, but again, USB gives the smoothest experience. Your phone screen should now appear on your PC, nice and clean. Let's move over to OBS Studio to set up live streaming. Open OBS, click Add Scene, and rename it something like Live Stream. Next, click on Add Source, select Window Capture, and pick the AnyMiro screen. Adjust the size and position as needed. Want to make your stream look professional? Add your channel overlay by clicking Add Source again, Media Source, name it Channel Layout, and browse to your layout file. Position it neatly below your main content, and just like that, you've got a complete setup. All done. Click on Start Streaming, and you're live on YouTube using your mobile and OBS. If you're using the free version of AnyMiro, you can stream for up to 40 minutes per day. Want unlimited access? Go for the premium version, it's totally worth it if you stream regularly. So guys, that's how you can mirror your phone screen, record it, and live stream, all without lag and in full quality. Still got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer every single one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, and if you're new around here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another cool tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, Allah Hafiz.